everybody. It is cheat day, which is always an exciting day in this house. So basically we're doing 6 days of salad and then 1 day of not salad. So I really like KFC, and there is no possibility of getting KFC because it's under lockdown. So I'm making my own KFC. So we're gonna do deep fried chicken burger, essentially, with potato rounds as the instead of chips. So basically taking some chicken thighs, deboned, we're going to marinate those in some spices with some buttermilk. Then we're going to take those out, we're going to mix in some flour, some panko, some corn flour, and then obviously deep fry those. Then that's just going to go into a fresh bun with some yummy stuff. Then for the potatoes, we're going to do like a spice mix, chop them into rounds, put them in some oil, and then just basically take them off in the oven. I'm going to try a new thing. I'm going to try to get some close-up sort of macro shots of doing the cooking. It's going to take a little bit more work, but let's see if it works out well. Other than that, enjoy, stay safe, stay cool, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, do all of those things. Keep on watching the videos. We'll see you later. Cheers.